Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I just got in a new package from Catherine Pooler Designs. You guys might remember that I am helping out on their influencer team. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what they sent me this time. This is going to be for a blog hop, I believe. Okay, so we're so excited you're joining us for our Insta Hop on release day, which is September the 13th. Please keep these goodies a secret until Catherine starts sharing the new product, which means this video will be going up about the same time that Catherine gets her new product video out. So anyway, let's take a look at these. But this is the Holiday Delights. So this is going to be all Christmassy theme. Okay, so I've got two new ink pads. We've got With an Olive, which is kind of a yellow green and olivey green, but a light olivey green. And we've got On the Lake. I mean, you guys know I love my Catherine Pooler inks, but I don't have a ton of them, so I am starting to build my stash up. And we've got, this is some, who's this from? I believe this is, wow, embossing powder. I'm going to have to take a look. This is actually some glitter. This one is inspired by Catherine Pooler On the Lake, so it is inspired by this. So that means that this glittery has got a little blue. Ooh, looking in the camera, I can see it a lot better than when I'm looking at it straight. So it does have some of those little blue flakes. That is going to be gorgeous. Yeah, and this is a sample. So yeah, I think this is actually Wow Embossing Glitter. So, well, yeah, it says on there. If I can get it to zoom right. Anyway, it says embossing glitter right there. Anywho. Oh, that's nice. There was also another note in here saying, so here's some extra holiday products from the past in case I want to use them for a different hop that is coming up in October. Details about that hop, all the hops will be emailed out to me shortly. Awesome. Okay, so here is the things that are for this specific hop. Again, this one is the Holiday Delights. So we've got these cute little character coffee mugs. They are super adorable. We've got a little reindeer, a little snowman, Santa, and then we've got this one that's got a Christmas tree and it's all filled with holiday goodness. I think that's hot chocolate. Yeah. Anyhow, warm wishes. Here's a cup of cheer for our sentiments, and we've got, here's something cute. We've got our little gingerbread man here, and we've got one in the cup, meaning you can mask it off and probably stamp over it in the same place and add some color real quick and easy that way. Same thing with the tree. It looks like it's about the same size. So that looks kind of cool. Okay, so we've got that. Then we've got the dies to match. And then we've got the pattern papers, cookies and milk. I gotta see the papers. Let me get that opened up. And this one is not a paper pack, so it's all open and separate. But look at those. We've got cookies and milk. We've got some stripes. We've got some tree. These are actually cookies. Those look like cookies. Actually, it looks like cookies because of the little bit of an offset. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I'd have to probably adjust the resolution a little bit. Those are pretty. We've got some sprinkles. I love my sprinkles. Some snowflakes. Some ugly sweater stuff, some knit, and there are 4 of each of these designs. Then we've got these little snowmen marshmallows. Let me see if I can adjust the resolution, the contrast just a little bit so that you guys can see it a little bit better. There we go. So we've got our little snowmen there, and we've got some plaid. So I'm going to do a quick flip through since we've got the light adjusted a little bit so that you guys can see a little bit better. So now you can see those, each of those little trees have got a little bit of an offset that's done in kind of a creamy, kind of an off-white color. So it looks like cookies to me. Anyway, that is the collection I've got to play with for this hop. So let's get busy making some cards.